Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 3 different diverse jobs that you can do from home, and one of them might be the right one just for you. So this one is for the company GoodRx. They're looking for a patient advocate. GoodRx is America's healthcare marketplace. Each month, millions of people visit GoodRx to find reliable health information and discounts for their healthcare. About the role, it will be a full-time role specifically dedicated to weekend and weekday evening hours, so 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Pacific time, with Saturday and Sunday evening availability required. What you'll do: assist with patient support questions and needs online via phone, assist in placing lab orders and following up with pharmacies, coordinate and escalate issues with account management, coordinate and report and escalate platform issues, work closely with clinical and patient teams, confidently work within the telemedicine platform, and always advocate for the patient and look for opportunities to improve the care experience. Skills or qualification: a college degree is ideal but not required. At least 1 year of experience in customer patient support. Experience communicating with medical providers a plus. Independent and consistent with excellent follow through. Excellent written and verbal communication. Confidence using technology. Ability to confidently speak to patients and pharmacies on the phone. Saturday and Sunday evening availability required. Some of the benefits and perks: flexible work location and scheduled time off policy, domestic partner benefits coverage, supportive and positive team, a commitment to a diverse and inclusive environment. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be the first notified. Now this next job is with Whaler. Looking for a video production supervisor. So Whaler is a tech-powered influencer agency on a mission to liberate the creative voice. We democratize the creative process for brands and creators. So in this role, you will work within our marketing organization alongside the campaign and creative teams. Whaler is a friendly but fast-paced atmosphere, and the ability to work to deadlines is imperative. The role requires an innovative and multifaceted creative producer who can multitask and easily move from project to project. This role will serve as a creative director, supervising the team, keep them on track, manage tight deadlines and requests, and assigning video projects accordingly. This person will also be editing videos alongside the creative team as necessary, and will serve as a first point of escalation for all delivery and troubleshooting needs. These include trafficking source assets, inspecting, checking inbound and outbound files, and improving metadata from manual to automated processes. Projects we'll be managing include creating videos highlighting Whaler's varied and exciting campaigns, marketing initiatives, award submissions, and various special projects. Minimum 5 years experience in the industry with producing social multi-platform content. 3+ years of people management, ability to capture, edit, and produce strong video content, a creative thinker, comfortable creating content with high, almost obsessive attention to detail, and interesting in understanding of the influencer marketing industry, a curious, proactive, and can-do attitude, excellent communication and organization skills, the ability to challenge a creative brief, fluency in Adobe Premiere, After Effects, and Adobe Creative Suite. Videography skills are required. Photography skills are a plus but not required. 4 years degree, a plus but not required. Please share your portfolio link with content that demonstrates your previous experience and current skill set. So if you would like to apply for this particular position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry, we have another job coming up, and we're also going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. So the third job is a transcriptionist, English and Spanish bilingual at Literally. Pays $10 an hour. You must be 18 years old and you cannot live in the states of California, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Montana, Nebraska, or New Jersey. They're currently looking for a bilingual transcriptionist and captioners who can listen to audio recordings of students reading English or Spanish and transcribe and caption reading errors. Make over $10 an hour. You can work from anywhere. You can make your own schedule. No experience necessary, and you help students and teachers. They're accepting applicants now, and we will take the first qualified people. So get in touch. Please do not feel the need to submit a polished cover letter or resume. We have built a training mode that will both teach you how to transcribe and will evaluate your performance. We will hire the applicants who perform well in training. The application materials are in English. If you're proficient in Spanish and you're hired, we will provide additional instructions in Spanish and ask you to transcribe Spanish recordings as well. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. It will be under job number 3 and you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.